Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is a one-off pit barrel smoker that I made for less than $15. As you can see, I spared no expense here. um, it's kind of windy out today, and I came out just a second ago and my top had flipped off of this thing. So I'm just weighting it down with a couple of spent 2x4 pieces, but this is just 5mm plywood. This was an old oil barrel, a grease barrel to be exact, 15 gallons. It was lined, but it did have paint on the outside of it. I set a fire in it and burned it all out, and this is actually the second trip. As you guys can see, I have, maybe you can only see two of them, but there's 3 racks of baby back ribs in there, hanging from a central 3/8 rod, which is constructed from just some stainless steel, these things have been on for about 45 minutes. I'll check them at about 3 hours just to see how the tenderness is, and we'll add to the video at that time. Stand by.